look at that. The soldering iron tip is sticking out through the box. Feels very light. Usually when things feel light, they're cheap. This feels like a kid's toy. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Besides that, I'm gonna go without a manual because you should not need a manual for a soldering iron. I admit I'm not impressed. It's got quite a few different tips. That's a very nice. Tweezers, cute. Let's see what this is capable of. Gosh, I'm almost scared to plug it in. Alright, we've got no clue what this is for, but let's see if I can figure it out. Alright, so there's two holes right here. Looks like it goes in like this, but and that goes in. It's supposed to go in like that. What is that? What does it do? Interesting. Let's take a look at the book. I haven't seen that before, so I want to know what it does. Okay, if you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments, because I have no idea what this is even after reading the manual. It just tells you how to install it, but what this is, it doesn't tell you, so I'm gonna put this back and deal with that later. This works with gravity, so that should leak right out. See that? Boom. Very small piece of sponge. It's not gonna fill in the whole thing. They cheaped out on that too. I mean, it's all plastic. It doesn't inspire confidence whatsoever. Alright, I'm about to turn it on. Honestly, I'm a little worried. We'll start with the lowest temperature. So I'm going to find some thick wires and see what we can do with this. I'll just connect them together. It should be simple enough. And we will go full blast. I don't think it knows that you put it back. So that's not good. So it heats up pretty quickly. That's a nice thing. Yeah, this thing won't work. Alright, so we're a full blast. And notice that when I take this out or put it back in, this has no clue that it needs to lower the temperature. That'll lessen the life of the tip. So I don't expect this tip to last very long. Well, let's see if... I'll put a little flux on it just to help the gun. This looks like about, I don't know, 10 gauge wire or something. Almost 900 degrees. It's working, but it's having a hard time. I better turn this off before the tip gets burnt up. Alright, so it'll work. Let's see how my gun will do in the same situation. Same wire and everything. I won't even turn up the temperature as much. So when I take it off, the temperature jumps way up. So right now we're at 690. Also gonna need flux. Let's put on 850 just to make a better comparison. Wow, I don't like that solder. Okay, so this solder flows much better. Let's try that again with a different solder, because I don't think this solder is very good. I don't even know what it's for. Let that warm up. I think it'll do better with this one. This one's got flux core in it. Alright, it's about there, so we can go. Looks cheap, but works good. We'll see how long everything lasts.